Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's your boy Tone, Wicked Artistry Canada Co. We are back in the building, back with another traffic secrets um, marketing tip. Today's video, we're going to talk about the best marketing content strategy and platform. So, with that being said, if the videos that we're creating so far you like, do us a favor. If they're helpful, do us a favor. Click the subscribe button. Just subscribe to the channel. It doesn't hurt to subscribe. It doesn't hurt to click that like button. It doesn't hurt to click that bell notification. That way you can always know when something that could possibly help you with this side of your candle business or any business that you're running. You can use these strategies with anything, these tips, these tricks, everything. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, man, we're gonna get back into it, man. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. All right. So with no further ado, we're gonna get into it, man. So the best marketing strategy and content for creating content. There's three major platforms that are out right now. Actually, there's four. All right. There's Facebook, there's Instagram, there's TikTok, and then there's YouTube, which we're on YouTube. But you have to understand, it's up to your discretion. Now, my suggestion is you pick one and focus on the one and use a content multiplier formula to be able to go to the rest of them. So like right now, I'm on YouTube, but I can take this video, I can chop it up, and I can put it on Instagram Reels, Facebook Stories, Instagram Stories, and TikTok. So that's four pieces of content. That's one piece of content, four different platforms chopped up, okay? Now, since we're talking the best one, let's give the demographics to help you understand which is the best in your eyes, because it's up to your discretion. A lot of people would tell you, this is the best platform. Listen, you have to make it on your own decision, because no one can tell you how to run your business but you. You know what I'm saying? Like we give out tips and show you how to get to certain aspects, but no one can tell you how to run your business. All right. Nobody can tell you what's inside your head and how you should implement it. When we say implement things, it's like take action. From my perspective, take action. I can't tell you to go and start an e-com store and do this and it's gonna work, because things change over time. So Facebook, there's like 3.5 billion people on Facebook throughout the entire day, periodically. But a lot of people don't want to use Facebook because they say it's an older market. No, you use your Facebook fan page and Facebook groups to generate and grow your business, because Facebook is where everybody congregates. They have certain groups that you can go in and get tips. Like for me, it's Candles Make Us Beginners, and then there's some other ones in there. All right. Instagram is another one. Instagram, you can show your content. They got stories, they got reels, they got Instagram started out as posts for pictures, and once Instagram started falling behind to the next one, which is TikTok, Instagram had to figure out how they was going to compete, because at first it was just posts for pictures. Now Instagram, you can post pictures, reels, long-term videos, stories. But the best way with Instagram, and this is a pro tip, the best way with Instagram is to keep everybody engaged. If you're posting a picture, post 3 or 4 different ones. That way they stay on the whatchamacallit. Now understand this. Your Instagram and Facebook, which is owned by the same people. All right. YouTube is owned by Google. Facebook, Zuckerberg. Instagram, Zuckerberg, Meta, which is, the parent company. TikTok is from overseas. Now, everybody kept wanting to ban TikTok. And here's what's funny, because the government, certain people in the government, not the whole government, they always want to get their hands into something. So when they want to get their hands into something, they start coming up with regulations and things like that. But TikTok is an app that you can dance to, have fun, but now they made it to where you can promote your business. You can promote your business. You can promote affiliate products. You can promote services, anything. You can put music to it. You can do voiceovers. Um, so those are the pros to having these apps, because one piece of content can go on 4 different platforms. Actually 5, because you got to throw Snapchat in there. You got to throw Twitch in there. Uh, Vimeo. I mean, everything is content. And if you're going to post content and you're going to become a content creator, you have to be able to post content. All right. So again, this is how you draw attention to yourself. This is organic traffic. All right. Now you can go and do paid traffic, but if you don't have the budget to do that, organic traffic is the way to go. So again, Facebook fan page, business page, whatever, and groups. You draw people, you offer them resources to get into your fan page and your group, and then once you get them there, then you constantly feed them content, constantly educating them on certain things. Like influencers, most influencers will educate you on the latest styles, the latest footwear, the latest clothing, the latest hats, the latest prints, the latest wax and things like that. Instagram, you can show pictures of that. Now you can show pictures on Facebook because all of them are now doing that, but Instagram was the original way to show pictures. You take a ton of pictures and you start posting them, and when the algorithm started to play catch up, they wanted to see more pictures. The more people that's engaged, the better off you'll be. And then TikTok came along, and it was a dance app that went crazy and viral videos, and now you have content creators creating content. Listen, the best marketing strategy and content creation platform is any one of them. You just have to pick and choose which one and home in on the content. Make sure your content is good, though. You have to make sure your content is good. I like to shoot reels, take pictures, because you can take a picture and add something to it and add it as a reel, and people will enjoy it. It's the same with TikTok, same with Facebook, stories, but we're going to get into how it breaks down, because it's crazy that TikTok, you can put videos up and gain traction. Instagram, you can do the same, but sometimes if they're not stationary, they'll disappear. So we'll talk about that. Facebook is one of the oldest platforms out there. You can tap into a lot of older generation. There's still young people on there, but a lot of the older generation versus the new generation is on Snapchat, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, all of these platforms. So you want to use them. You want to be able to use them. As you start to grow, then you can hire a team to take over your social media platforms. All right. So with that being said, that's how we are. That's how it is. But this is how you develop and you draw people in. Create content that people like. If it's inspiring, educational, or just showing that your vacations or whatever, but make sure somebody likes it, because it can influence somebody to say, hey, I want to be able to do that, or I like to do that, or thanks for that tip, or anything like that. All right. So that is the best platform for marketing content and strategies. It's all of them. You just have to pick the one that you like and go with that. So again, if this video was helpful, do us a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, hit that like button, join the community, follow the community, and also if you're tired of your house smelling a little musty because you're gonna be closed in, click that link in that bio and grab you one of them new candles. Like right now, we're testing the No More Nookie for You candle. We're testing the No Pillow Talk candles, and we're testing Peaches and Cream. All right, the link's in the bio. Go check out the website. I'm gonna see y'all when I see y'all, man. Peace.